Good morning, everyone. So it gives us a great, lot of happiness to see all of you all collected here today for the final day in your school. So thank you, Sir Director and Principal Ma'am, for the lamp lighting. Let me give you a brief idea about the small program that we have organized for you. It was all done in a bit of a hurry, so I hope let's make the best of whatever we have today. So first we have lamp lighting, which we have already done, and then after this we have a few words of blessings by Miss Lamu, which is from all of us here, all the teachers and everyone here at St. Dominic's. So Miss Lamu.
Dear children, and welcome. Okay, so here is a small blessing, you can say, or a short blessing, or a prayer, you can say, for you all, from all of us here from St. Dominic's family. Okay, may there always be work for your hands to do. May your purse always hold a coin or two. May the sun always shine on your window pane. May a rainbow be certain to follow each rain. May the hand of a friend always be near you. May God fill your heart with gladness to cheer you. Okay, so here is a blessing for you all, and what I would like to say is good luck for your future. Okay, and next we have presentation of academical dress for the graduation gown. Okay, starting with Arpita Paul.
Good morning. Honorable Directors or Principal Ma'am, my beloved teachers, and my fellow classmates. So this morning I stand here extremely honored to speak in front of you all. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers for supporting throughout our academic career and providing us opportunities to be successful during our school. Special thanks to my mother as well for her caring love and support. I'm here today is only just because of her. Congratulations, my all fellow classmates. We have done it. All our hard work and has finally paid off. We all has completed one of our major only milestone of our life, our high school graduation. I'm sure that many of us were expected 2020 and 2021 to present us with countless memories, experience, and it has just not gone way we expected at all. As today is the special day for all of us gathered here. This is not only the day which marks the end of our long academic journey at Jagan St. Dominic's School, class of 2021, but also a very stressful academic year without anyone infected by COVID-19 in our campus. It was only 12 years ago when we all crossed the gate of this or other school and started our school life as a children, but we are living here as an adult. We completed our basic education that will serve as a platform to launch ourselves into our future. But before we begin to reach for the stars, there are more personal milestones that we all need to reach. As we graduate from high school, we experience only one graduation, that from high school. But we all have one more shortly ahead of us. We have already shown commitment to personal growth from making it to this ceremony. But soon we all will experience one more ceremony. As life is a journey, it gives us new opportunities to continue growing and to learn new skills that will carry with us for the rest of our lives. Lastly, on behalf of this class, I would like to take the opportunity to apologize to all the teachers whom we have hurt. We are surely sorry for our action. I would like to be thankful to all the teachers for inviting us in this beautiful ceremony. So friends, wherever we go, whatever we do, may we always be friends when we meet again. Thank you.
A very warm good afternoon to the Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my classmates. As you all know, today we assemble here to celebrate a very special moment It was around 5 years back where I joined this school, where I have many good memories with my friends and teachers. In class, we had fights. Each one of us have very good memories. I still remember my first speech when I was in class 9, and still last program in Thanksgiving program. That's all. If I go on narrating my thoughts and experience, it will take lots of time. I want everyone to be good health as the situation around our country is going worse day by day. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that we are about to witness some good, beautiful years ahead in our life, and this is the best days in my life. Thank you all.
Some people say, stop dreaming and face reality. But I believe that keep dreaming and make reality. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all my classmates, including myself, for finally graduating. It's a great honor to be here. I would like to thank all of my teachers who helped me to get where I am today. As students and friends, we have made many good memories together, most of which we can look back now and laugh. Every day in the school were the best days. Every little moment of fun were the best. The memories that I have gained here has been enriching and will remain within myself lifelong. And now we are living as adults. Now we have completed a certain education that will serve as a platform to launch ourselves into our future. Some of us will go into colleges, others will go directly into the workforce, but each one of us will serve our own path. No matter where we go or what we do, there are certain challenges ahead of us. Nevertheless, every end has a beginning, has a new beginning. So today might be the last day of us as students of school, but I believe that our learning will actually start from today. Thank you.
A very good day to you all present here, respected Director Sir, Principal Madam, my teachers and my co-mates. Today, I, Leela Giri of Class 12 Commerce, is here to share my memories in my school. So here I begin. On the very first day of my school, I was late. So I got the punishment from Adar Sir that day. So that day I created an image for Adar Sir that he is a very dangerous teacher. But I was totally wrong. And after I went to my class, I got to hear that even most dangerous than Adar Sir, there is a madam named Anuradha. I used to be very scared of her. Then she taught us on class 9 life science. That day she asked me question and I answered, and she appreciated my answer. So that very day I make up my mind by saying that no, she is good only. And after that, on class 11, she was our class teacher. She motivated us so well. She supported me so well that I will never forget her in my life. Thank you, ma'am, for being so nice to me. Moving on to the next teacher, she is Sandhya Miss. I had great memories with her too. She was like my mother as well as my teacher. But she used to scold me as well, but I used to think that she is like my mother only. Why to take in mind? So, thank you, Miss, for that. Then coming up to Chandra sir, you were my class teacher in class 9. We won the singing competition that day, so he gave us treat chocolates. Then, thank you to you, sir. Then coming up to my dearest sir, Johnny sir. was very talkative in class. So he used to scold me, he used to give an example. Look at you and look at the head boy of the school. But I used to say, sir, I'm okay with myself. I used to say like this only. Sir, I'm gonna miss your smile. Moving on to Lamu Miss. She taught poem on class 7, I think. My English was good only from before, but she told me to say little bit more stylish. Much stylish way. Then I said, okay, miss, then I ended my poem. And the very proud moment for me is for being a head girl of the school, an unexpected head girl of the school. So thank you teachers for helping me, supporting me in my every situation. Where is Assis sir? I have first memories with you only, sir. I was on class 7, he was teaching Hindi to us. Like he used to do some actions like this. And I was very talkative, so my friend said, look at the sir, he's so handsome, right? And I said, yeah. Then I said, oh yeah. Then he was acting like Hindi poem. I think poem, he was reciting a poem. Then he was doing some actions like this. Then I was copying him. He found it me copying him. Then he said, बेटा तुम ऐसे करते हो नकल करती हो मेरी इधर आओ. He called me. Then I said, sir, गलती हो गया. Then he said, मुर्गा बनो. I said, sir, मुर्गा. Then he said, हाँ नहीं तो 2 stick खाओ. Then I said, sir, 2 stick खा लूँगी. Oh my God. Then he said, मैं तुम पे नजर रखूँगा आपसे. Afterwards, I studied well. He said, "Beta, अगर तुम अच्छे से पढ़ने से तुम star marks लाओगी." Then I was happy. I had memories with Director Sir also. On that Thanksgiving Day, we have organized that Thanksgiving Day by the suggestion of Neetu Madam. We went to him. First, we went to Madam. Then she said, "No, on this day you can't. There is test of juniors." Then I said, okay ma'am. Then she said, go to Director Sir and consult him with that. Then we went to Director Sir. He was talking with the parents. He was having a meeting, I think. Then we were waiting outside. Then he called us. Then I was very nervous, like what to say to him, how he will convey us. Then we went. Then we said, sir, we are holding a program. Do you allow? Then he said, what program? We said, Thanksgiving Day. Then he said, I never heard it before. Then we said, sir, it was suggested by Neetu Madam, so as well my classmates. Then he said, okay. Then he signed up. Then the very next day, another ma'am said, no, on this day you can't. Again we were like, oh, so sad. Then again, the next day, we were very scared to go to Director Sir as he has granted us permission before only. So we went and he said, sir, sorry, we can't do it this day. Can you allow? Then he said, okay. It was so sweet, sir. Memories with Principal Ma'am also. It was like, I was in class 7, I think. I was having stomachache. So my friend Jessica, she took me to Madam and she asked me what happened. I said, ma'am, stomachache. So she called Rekha auntie and said, Rekha, Jwano deu elai. And then I was like, ma'am, Jwano, aaj when? Then she said, oh, you khaya bhane ekdam bhitra bata jancha gas. Feeling like taking that. It was so bitter, but what to do? She was in front of me. Need to. Thank you, ma'am.
And did it work?
For one day. Now, moving on to Kamal sir. I used to know him from childhood only, sir. Oh, one thing I forgot. I was never punctual at school. I was always late. I think the very first day I was late, so I got punishment from other sir. That's why my whole 6 year I was never punctual. Still, unexpected thing happened to me. It was a proud moment for me. For being a head girl, unexpected, a joyful and a happy moment for me. So thank you teachers for making my life, for shaping my career as well as character. Because of I'm gonna miss you all. That's all. Thank you.
It's a pleasure for me to speak here on this graduation day. Good morning to the respected sir, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to share my 5-year journey in this school. I came here in the year 2016. I still remember the first day, being nervous, didn't know anyone, not familiar with the surrounding also. But slowly, I evolved in this school. I am feeling sad that we will be leaving our school, but this place is like a home for us, where we have spent our most of the time. And I'm happy for our beautiful and bright future that is waiting for us. Now, first and foremost, I would like to thank our director sir, who has always portrayed the image of highly disciplined personality, so yet kind and humble. And also, I would like to thank our teachers, who have always been there for me not only as educators, but role model as well. They not only taught us what's given in the book, but they taught us about life. And this journey wouldn't be possible without my friends and classmates. So, dear friends and classmates, you all have gifted me a wonderful and delightful journey in this school. I am really going to miss each and every moment what we spent in this school. And lastly but not the least, I would like to thank my parents also because of their effort and support today I am standing here. That's it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, each and everyone present here. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Good afternoon, each and everyone present here. Myself, Suchitra Burman, as nervous, I am standing here to celebrate a very special moment, that is our graduation day. First of all, I would like to congratulate my mates, including myself, for graduate. Today, as our graduation day is going on, and it is going to be the last day of us in this school. We are overwhelmed with your love and respect. It's like a journey as a young kid who doesn't know how to even hold a pencil and living with a lot of memories, knowledge, respect and love of support. From here, we all will go to see a bigger world in the form of college. But it is the harder work of the teachers. They have made us capable to step out from this school. Nothing is enough to describe the contribution you all have made for all us. Lastly, I would like to end up my speech by saying that thank you each and everyone present here and my ex-teachers for supporting us, and thank you my friends, my mates. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Words are less to thank our teachers who have done so much of hard work for us. I don't know what to say, but I will never forget what this family have given to me and made me capable of doing work. I will not forget my naughty things done in the school, bunking the classes, eating tiffins of friends in class, especially commerce. It was not me, it was my friends. Yeah, but I was there. Thank you. I don't know what to say, but thank you so much.
It is with a happy hearts and happy hearts today I am standing here on this graduation day. Good morning everyone present here. I am here to speak out a few words of my journey in this school. It is like a journey to get admission on this school. As a young kid who doesn't know even how to hold a pencil. Leaving by passing class 12, from here we will go to see a bigger world of college. It is the hard work of our teacher who made us capable enough. Furthermore, I have lots of memories of this place which shall remain till my dying day. I am sure that you all also carry these memories until the ends of your life. This beautiful school will always be an important part and precious of our life. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to everyone. A great welcomes to everyone who are present here, and those who are not here, feel bad for them. It's been a great time in these schools. I have get to learn about many things which I need to be, which are important in my life. I get some good friends like Pradeep, Salman, and many others are there also, and teachers like Rakesh sir, Ramu ma'am, Johnny sir, Anurada ma'am, and other teachers also. So I am very thankful to them. And one thing for everyone, wherever you go in life, don't forget us. One thing, believe in yourself and anything is possible. Because until and unless you believe yourself, nobody is going to believe you. Because in a life, you need to be somewhere in the life. Until and unless you reach somewhere, no one will believe you, and not your parents also. You have to prove yourself and say to others that I have done some things, and you have to prove it yourself. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Respected Professor, ma'am, teachers and students present here. This last school of would like to say something. Thank you teachers for supporting me in all situations. Another man, thank you for all. We will miss you. Thank you for all the guidance and support. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank our supportive directors, our teachers. I want all of the graduates to stand up and give a huge round of applause to our teachers.
I would like to share a story of mine. When I lost my hope on study, one day, Madam Anuradha called me in the middle of the ground. I thought she called me for scolding, but she instead of scolding me, she gave me the hope to study and asked me to come regular to class. That was the day when I changed and I was regular. I would like to thank another ma'am for changing my life. I wish St. Dominic School nurture a very better and good seniors. And I hope the teachers of the St. Dominic School will get very good news within some years. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, Honorable Director Sir, Principal Madam, dear teachers and my fellow companions. I am very honored to stand here as it was the first day. I will never forget the first day I was standing here, and it's also the last day that I am also standing here and saying all my graduation speech. I am very thankful to everyone who organized this program, and I am very grateful to teachers who always supported me, and I am very sorry for creating chaos. I especially ask forgiveness for Ada sir, Lamu ma'am, and Johnny sir. But else this, thank you for always supporting me, and as for my fellow companions, thank you for always being there. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Once a Dominican, always a Dominican.
Good morning to the faculty, our trustees, and of course my classmates. I am very pleased to be here to join you in celebrating this wonderful occasion. It's a great honor to be here. Today, I just want to say that it's an important day to be here. Today is an important day to be here. I want to thanks to everyone who support us throughout our lives, our teachers, and of course my parents. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, dear Honorable Ma'am, and respected teachers and all my fellow dear classmates. Good morning. So it's my pleasure that I'm standing here and delivering you all a speech. My feelings that all those years which I have spent in the school. So first of all, I will say about yesterday that when I went to bed, I was very excited that today is our graduation day. I was very happy that I will meet my friends, all my classmates once again. And this one, on the other hand, I was very sad. I was very dejected that we are meeting our friends once again. But this is for the last time that we are all together with our teachers, with our friends. And this get together is for the last time that we are meeting, that we are together once again. So as we all know that our graduation day is going on, and this is going to be our last day of school all of us. So it was like a beautiful chapter of my life, that is all the years which I spent in school. It was like a beautiful journey that I joined there as a young kid who didn't even knew how to hold a pencil properly, who didn't even knew how to read and write, whose height was just didn't even used to reach the teacher's shoulder. And now while living, I am a mature boy who knows how to hold a pen, not a pencil, who knows how to read and write properly, and now whose height is almost to our teachers. And the time was there when we don't used to come to school. When we don't wanted to come to school, we used to say, "Oh, mommy, nahi, mommy, आज पेट दुख रहा है, school नहीं जाना है." And we used to make many excuses that we don't want to come to school. We used to wait for Sundays, when the 6 days will get over, when the Sundays will come, then when we will get our day off. But now it's not like that. Now we are leaving the school. Few months ago, we used to crave to school. We used to crave to come to school. Even if we used to have a headache, then also we ignore it and we used to come to school so that we can spend a quality time with our teachers, with our friends, that we can learn something better in our life. So from here, we all are going to see a better and a bigger world than our school life. That will be our college life. It is all because of our teachers that we are capable enough today, that we are that capable enough today that we can leave the school premises and go into colleges. We are very thankful to teachers. On behalf of my class, I would like to thank all the teachers for their hard work, love, support, and believing in us and supporting on every aspect of our life until our school life, till our school life gets over. We are very thankful to you. We will never forget you. You will always be remembered throughout our life. And thank you for supporting us in every aspect of our life. On coming to my friends, for those, saying about something about you all, that you all have made the experience that how a school life can be so interesting, so exciting, right? I will never forget that day in Balatram. I hope most of us boys remember. When we were 16 to 17 boys, we did a prank named Bloody Mary. I hope maximum of us knows that. We were 17 boys and we just the pencil rotated and all the boys ran out of the class at 2 a.m., right? You also ran, bro. You were the first one. We will never forget that, the delicious food of Balatram. Our JP sir used to bang us. I am very thankful to many teachers, all of the teachers, that for motivating us, especially our mother, ma'am. I am very thankful to you, ma'am. So before stepping down from here, I would like to thank once again to every teacher for the love and care for us. We are very overwhelmed with your love. And to my friends for giving me a bunch of memories to take together in my further life. So thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Principal sir, principal ma'am, teachers, friends. Today I am very grateful to be present on this day. It feels like just few years ago I joined this school. I wish I would got some more time to spend in this place. The time which we spent in class, the studies, and the fun which we did with our friends. I really got very loving teachers, supporting teachers, and my friends who helped me at my worst time. So, thank you.
A very fine good afternoon to one and all present in this convocation ceremony. Respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my beloved friends. This is Srika Pradhan, and it's my 15 years journey in this school. So, firstly today I am very honored to have myself here in front of you all and speak just a few words. So I'm here since childhood. So in these 15 years, I got lots of love and affection from my teachers, especially Miss Islam who treated me like her little sister. So I'm really thankful to all my teachers who made me a better person every day. Also today I'm very glad to see my friends all together since I was not there to attend the farewell. So I'm really glad to see my friends. I'm really thankful to my teachers. Lastly, what I want to say to all is, we are born with no name, just our breath, and we die with no breath left, just our name. So life is a journey between our name and our breath. So let's make sure that the journey is great. I love you all and thank you all for listening.
Good afternoon everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is our graduation day. We spent many hours in playing, learning and many other activities with our heart. Our teachers are very friendly with us. Thank you to all the teachers and our... Thank you.
First of all, thank you to our teachers, families, and my friend for supporting to me in academic career. Good morning. It is an honor to be speaking with you here today. Graduates of the class 2021, congratulations. Today is a great day, a day you have been waiting for since you entered kindergarten 13 or 15 years ago. For some of you, it's waiting to get out of school and get on with your life. It is a time when the old childhood arrives. No more pencil, no more books, no more teachers, dirty looks. Describes how just you feel. For many others of you, high school graduation is just the next step in your education. Take those experience with you. Keep close to the student and teachers' friends. You have made your name at the high school and do well wherever you go and whatever you do. You earn your passport, use it well. Congratulations again to each and of you and many you all success in the year ahead. Thank you.
Good morning, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and teachers, and good morning also my dear friends. Today is graduation day. I want to say a few topics in education. Sorry. Education gives us opportunity to a proper life. Okay, sir. Personal standard in society. Its help to development in personal life. Without education, people are depart from education. Education role very important play in our life. Without education, people are nothing. Education brings success. Education is key to success our life, personal and professional life. Thank you.
Good morning to all and all present out here on this auspicious day, standing in front of you all to say a couple of words. Being as a student of this glorious school, I would like to thank to all the pillars behind my success, teachers who stood us and helped in every situation,
Thank you to all the teachers who made our life so beautiful journey. Our honorable principal sir and ma'am, of course, who treated us like our own children. Thank you every one of you once again. My first teachers, of my class teacher to the last teachers. Your support and guidance will be always in my heart. On this day, thank you for inviting us and making us feel so beautiful. The graduation day will always be memorable for me. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Here myself, Sambhurma Tamam, a pass-out student of St. Dominic School, is very honored and very glad to be a part of Convocation Day today. First of all, I would like to show my heartfelt gratitude towards our beloved Principal Madam, Honorable Director Sir, all the loving teachers and non-faculty staff for inviting me back to school again already. So, without any much further, I would like to speak up about how my experience was being a student of St. Dominic School. It's been 8 years of me being here, and all the teachers were so supportive towards us. I feel like I was bound with my own family members. Being a girl who didn't know how to use any of the English word, who could probably speak few of it, and to a girl here standing in front of everybody and delivering something now, it was a great progress for me. And all thanks to my beloved teacher. Without their guidance, I couldn't be here. So I'm looking forward for the better version of myself. And today from here, I will be packing up all the wisdom, knowledge, good memories, and my life journey, and looking beyond what is there waiting for me further. I'm really blessed and thankful to be a part of St. Dominic School, and thanks to all the teachers. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Director Sir, Principal Madam, teachers, and all my beloved brothers and all my beloved friends. It is a great honor to stand in front of you all to share my school journey. After all, it is the best time of our school life. We recall our good days that we have passed and also the bad days. St. Dominic's has given me the best memories. I have gained a lot of memories, happiness, and also the lessons. I still remember me and my friends to this day. So thank you so much for all the love, care, and support. Thank you.
A very fine morning to everyone. I said good morning. Today I am here. I am very thankful to the teachers and the school management for giving me an opportunity to speak few words about my experience in school life. Today I am very nervous as well as I am very proud to be sharing my experience with you all. Since it has been a long 12 years together, maybe someone has joined late, but also it's a very long time we have spent together in school. We have made many memories, maybe sometimes bad memories too. But it will always be remembered when we will be left the school. Today is the last day we are visiting our school together. Maybe we will visit our school, but not together. We will visit once or twice in a year, but not together. This is the last time we are together with our teachers, with friends, with everyone. So I would request you all to make it as the best day of your school. So you will have a great memory to remember in future. I would like to thank my teachers for supporting me throughout a long years and making us capable for speaking here. Today, if I am speaking here, it's our teachers who have taught us from the junior section till now. I'm very thankful to everyone. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone for making a very unforgettable memories with us. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to stand here and talking to you all about my school experience. It was a very good experience. I would like to thank all the school authorities for giving us a beautiful and wonderful memories. And also mainly to all the teachers who push us for the upcoming challenges in our life. There were many beautiful memories in this school. I will never forget the time I spent in this school. Starting the orientation from there and ending the graduation day was the best memories in my life. It's the time to say farewell, but it's not the end. It is the new and different beginning in our life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Director, Principal Ma'am, and my dear teachers. I hope everyone is doing great as usual. It's none other than Arjuna Povit, is the Dominic student from Jaigaon. As nervous I am today standing here, and I'm a little bit excited and nervous, and I'm proud to be sharing my experience with you all. First of all, let me congratulate my friends and my mates, including me, for being finally junior graduates. Today might be the end of our school life, but I believe every end has a new beginning, and I think that from today only our learning will start. I would like to thank each and every individual who is associated with this program, and I'd like to thank everyone who made this school what it is, and everyone who supported all the students, including me along the way, of course. And lastly, I would like to honor my parents and my family who always supported me, encouraged me, and without them, I don't think my junior graduate was possible. So thank you. Lastly, be bold, be courageous, be your best. Thank you.
हमारे यहाँ प्रिंसिपल मैडम, अनुराधा मैडम, आदर्श सर, सभी शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं को मेरा आंतरिक हृदय से अभिनंदन एवं मेरे सारे बच्चों को मेरा अशेष प्रेम आशीर्वाद। आज आप लोग अपनी अपनी डिग्री को लेकर जा रहे हो। जीवन का एक नया शुरुआत करने के लिए एक दौर आप लोगों ने खत्म किया, अब दूसरी दौर आप शुरू करने वाले हो। मैं आप सभी को शुभकामना देना चाहूंगा और एक छोटी सी कथा मैं आप लोग को सुनाऊंगा। एक पति पत्नी एक गधे को लेकर जा रहे होते हैं। कुछ लोग कमेंट करते हैं, देखो पति पत्नी गधे को लेकर जा रहा है, और ये लोग गधे में बैठ भी नहीं रहे हैं। आप लोग को तो मालूम है गधा भारी ढोने का काम करता है। तो पति गधे में बैठ गया और पत्नी ने गधे को पकड़कर चलना शुरू किया। तो फिर आगे कुछ लोग मिले, फिर उन लोगों ने कमेंट किया, देखो कैसा नालायक पति है, पत्नी चल रही है और पति गधे में बैठा हुआ है। फिर पति गधे से उतर गया और पत्नी को गधे में बिठाया और पति गधे को लेकर आगे आगे बढ़ता है। फिर आगे कुछ लोग मिले, फिर कमेंट किया, देखो कैसा पति है, जोरू का गुलाम, पत्नी का गुलाम, शर्म नहीं है, बीवी को गधे में बिठाकर लेकर जा रहा है। फिर उस पति ने क्या किया, अपने पत्नी के साथ वो फिर गधे में बैठ गए। फिर आगे कुछ लोग मिले, फिर लोगों ने कमेंट किया कि देखो कैसा निर्दय पति पत्नी है, दोनों मिलके बेचारे गधे पर इतना अत्याचार कर रहे हैं, गधे के ऊपर में बैठ के जा रहे हैं। इस कहानी का संदेश यह है, जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में, हर घाट में, हर राह में आपके ऊपर नेगेटिव कमेंट करने वाले लोग होते हैं, आपको रोकने वाले और आपके टांग खींचने वाले लोग होते हैं। डरना नहीं है, संघर्ष करना है, संघर्ष करते हुए आगे बढ़ना है। ये बात अपने मन में गांठ बांध लीजिए, क्योंकि आपको जो दौड़ लगानी है वो दौड़ बहुत लंबी है, लंबी छलांग मारनी है, लंबा सोचना है, बड़ा सोचना है, बड़ा करना है, बड़ा संघर्ष करना है। इसलिए दूसरे के कमेंट और नेगेटिव कमेंट पर आपको ध्यान नहीं देना है। थिंक पॉजिटिव, बी पॉजिटिव, ये बात को गांठ बांध के आप आगे बढ़ेंगे। आप सभी को अशेष शुभकामना। धन्यवाद।
Alright, students, so actually, like someone said here, yesterday we were quite excited about coming to this graduation day. Me too, I was excited, and also there was a lot of arrangement work to be done, not only by me but all our team of teachers who had taken the responsibility of making arrangements for this graduation day. And today, yes, I think many of us were not only excited, but like at the end of the day, along with the students, I think we are also feeling sad because we are letting go of one of the most, one of the best batches that we had in our school in class 12. So we will really miss you, and the volleyball court will miss you, especially all those tall, handsome boys who were always ready to come out of the class and play a volleyball match. That used to be, I think, one of the most happiest times of the school life for them. So whenever I see the basketball court and the net, I will remember all this Pradeep and Anikesh and Pankaj, Rajesh, Janur, and all those Ruth especially, who also won a big, governor's medal for us, for our school. And also I'm so proud of our head boy and head girl, and also all the rest of the students for supporting them and being such good students in our school that, I don't know, every year I think that I will not cry in the graduation day, but I somehow end up crying because I feel bad to let go of my children. You were my children till the day you were in my class, and after this I will continue to be your friend. Okay, from today onwards I am your friend. So from teacher, my journey is to a friend and companion. Later on we can go out, we can eat together, we can travel together, journey together. All this will come when we see better times after the pandemic. So I think many of us are missing here. So those students who are being missed here, I'll just call out their name to let them know that we are thinking about them. And they are Aarti Kumari Yadav, Manisha Mandal, Manisha Parekh, Nisha Thami, and Nitesh Kumar Tiwari. I think he has gone for selection of national team of, I think, volleyball. So Nitesh, we miss you, and Priyanshu, and Pavitra, Pratham Ali, Pawan Lama, Rahul Kumar Mahato, Rajneesh Kumar Jha is here? No. Rajneesh, Srisham Tamal, Sonali Burman, Sonali Kumari Gupta, Subesh Pradhan, also he couldn't make it because he's out of station, and Divya Ray, Karthik Ghosh, Deepika Darji, Abhishek Rai, and Rudra Vishwakarma. So we miss you, and in our later on we will take a photo of you and just put it in our channel where we will be uploading this program, that is a small program that we have done for your graduation day. Now at the end of the day, what more to tell you except whatever I feel for you, a little bit, you can say a blessing or a last advice from me would be in the form of a poem which is called Anyway, and it is written by Kent and Keith. And this poem hangs in Mother Teresa's children home in Kolkata. So I have a special corner in my heart for this poem because it is not only for you, it is for all of us who are here and for all the people in the world. So let me read it out for you. People are often unreasonable, illogical and self-centered. Forgive them anyway. If you are kind, people may accuse you of selfish ulterior motives. Be kind anyway. If you are successful, you will win some false friends and some true enemies. Succeed anyway. If you are honest and frank, people may cheat you. Be honest and frank anyway. What you spend years building, someone could destroy overnight. Build anyway. If you find serenity and happiness, they may be jealous. Be happy anyway. The good you do today, people will often forget tomorrow. Do good anyway. Give the world the best you have, and it may never be enough. Give the world the best you have anyway. You see, in the final analysis, it is between you and your God. It was never between you and them anyway. It was never between you and them anyway. So with this, we come to the end of our graduation day. I wish you all the success. Remember this poem and try to apply it in your life, and you'll be a happy person. So thank you for all the students for attending today's program. I know you had to cancel many things to be here today, but I can tell you this much, that those of you who attended today's graduation program, you always thank yourself that you came here today, because this is indeed the last day in your school where all of you are together. So thank you very much, and thank you also to all the parents who have given us such beautiful children in our school. And it is because of you that we are teachers. It is not because of us that you are students. So thank you very much, all of you. God bless you.